Hi, welcome all. This is a lecture series called Introduction to Probability. It is for all competitive exam. It is a must-watch lecture series for all. By watching all these series of lectures, by understanding the concept, you can solve any probability problem within seconds. As I already said, this is not a single lecture. This is a series of lecture. Though this is the first lecture. So in this lecture, I am going to introduce what is probability. Probability is nothing but chance. So instead of saying there is more chance, we are specifying it with some fraction, some value. Okay, so let A be anything. Let it be a Red Bull, let it be passing an exam. So the probability of getting A is number of chance of getting A divided by total number of chances. It is simply total number of chances of getting that divided by total number of chances. So I will explain it with an example. There are 3 bowls, 2 blue bowls and 1 red bowl. So the probability of getting red bowl, that is, we will normally write it as P of red, means probability of getting red. That's equal to number of chance of getting red divided by total number of chances. So what is meant by number of chances of getting red? I am going to take one bowl and likewise. So if I am going to take one bowl and again one bowl, so how many possibilities are there? Means how many chances are there? So we know that there is only one red bowl, so I can take only one red bowl. That means only one chance. So number of chances of getting red is 1. Then total number of chances means how many chances are there? There are 3 bowls, so I can take 3 chances. So total number of chances is 3. So probability of getting red is number of chances of getting red, that's 1, divided by total number of chances, that is 3. That's 1 by 3. It's a fraction that comes as 0.33333 and so on. Which means that if I am going to take one red bowl from here, the probability of getting a red bowl is 1 by 3rd. Okay, in the similar way I can write the probability of getting a blue bowl. So total number of chances of getting blue, there are 2 chances, because if I am taking a bowl, it may be the middle blue bowl. In another chance, it may be the bottom one. So there are 2 chances and total number of chances is same, that is 3 chances. Because there are 3 bowls, I can take 3 bowls. So the probability is 2 by 3. Okay, so we can conclude one thing. The sum of all probabilities should be equal to 1, which means that there is only one red bowl and 2 blue bowl, which means that I can take either red bowl or blue bowl. So the probability of getting red bowl is 1 by 3, the probability of getting blue bowl is 2 by 3. So total probability is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 1. I cannot take a bowl which is in different color. Let us example, I want to take a green bowl. So we know that green bowl is not there. So what is the number of chance of getting a green bowl? That is 0. Divided by total number of chances. There are 3 bowls, I can take 3 chances. So 0 by 3, that is 0. Means that probability of getting a green bowl in this case is 0, because there is no green bowl. So the probability can be 0. On the other side, it can be maximum up to 1. So what is meant by 0 probability? Which means that there is no chance of getting that one. Okay, in another case, the probability is 1, which means that we 100% sure that we will get that one. Consider that there is only one red bowl. Okay, only one bowl is there, that is color is red. So what is the probability of getting red? Number of chances of getting red is 1, because there is only one red bowl. And total number of chances, since there is only one bowl, so I can take only one chance. So it is 1 by 1, that's equal to 1. Which means that we are 100% sure that we will get that one. So it is probability will become 1. So normally the probability value will vary between 0 and 1, including both. Okay, so I am going to give you an example. Consider a group of bowls. There are 3 blue bowls, 2 green bowls and 4 red bowls. So what is the probability of getting red bowl? That is P of red. what are the total number of chances of getting red? Total number of chances in getting red means how many red balls are there, simply. And total number of chances means total number of balls. Okay, I hope you got it. Then total number of chances of getting red, there are 4 red balls, 4 chances. 4 by total number of chances, there are 9 balls, that's 4 by 9. So what is the probability of getting blue ball? Simply, there are 3 blue balls and total number of balls is 9, so 3 by 9. So probability of getting green, that is total 2 green balls are total probabilities, total balls is 9, so 2 by 9. So we can take the sum will come 4 by 9 plus 3 by 9 plus 2 by 9, that's equal to 1, which means that we can take only either green ball, either blue ball, either red ball. We cannot take a black ball from this. Okay, if I want to take a black ball from this, so what is the probability of getting a black ball? It is 0 by 9, that is 0. Okay, because on 0 black ball is there. I hope you understand the basic concept of probability. We will be going forward. These kinds of questions will not come in competitive exam because these are just basics, but these kinds of questions will come. If I am taking 2 balls one after the other without a replacement, then what is the probability of getting 1 red ball and 1 blue ball? These kinds of questions will come in competitive exam. So you want to know what is mean by replacement and what is meant without replacement. So how we will calculate 1 red ball and 1 blue ball, both blue ball, both red ball, and alternate cases. So we will be covering this concept in lecture number 2. So you can watch, you can subscribe for latest videos. Thank you for watching.